Good morning. Can people hear me in the back? Yes? Great. So, welcome to the 17th Kolokotrones Symposium, which is hosted by CAUSALab here at the Harvard PH School of Public Health and supported by the Kolokotrones Fund. I'm Miguel Hernán, I'm director of CAUSALab. So here at CAUSALab, something that we do a lot is to develop methods and implement methods for the analysis of large healthcare databases. And many of these databases happen to be in the UK, which is also home to some of the best investigators in the area. So today at CAUSALab, we are proud to host a symposium in which we are going to learn from investigators from UK universities and government agencies about their approach to deal with the challenges raised by the use of these massive healthcare databases. And I'm sure that we in the rest of the world will learn something about this. I'm going now to give the floor to my colleague, Professor Jonathan Sterne from Bristol University, a longtime collaborator of CAUSALab and people working here, also a friend, and he will guide us through this symposium. So, Jonathan, it's all yours.
Thanks, Miguel, and thanks to you and to Jack and the CAUSALab team for inviting us to do this and for your kind and generous hospitality over the last couple of days. And it's been really great for us to visit CAUSALab. The British have a strange relationship with the National Health Service. On the one hand, we love to complain, as you all know, but we love to complain about our weather, and we love to complain about the National Health Service, and particularly in the aftermath of the pandemic, we're frustrated by difficulty in seeing a primary care practitioner and terror that if you need emergency care, you're going to wait for a very long time. On the other hand, our political commitment to a healthcare system that is free at the point of delivery, something really quite extraordinary on this side of the Atlantic, it remains undimmed. And it's a strange thing looking back that a central pillar of the campaign for Britain to leave the European Union was in order to give more money for the National Health Service. One obvious potential advantage of having a national healthcare system is the potential to do research based on national linked data. And with exceptions, which the next speaker will cover, that potential really remained unfulfilled until the pandemic. And then in March 2020, as the scale of what we were all facing became clear, the UK government passed a regulation called the Control of Public Information regulation, which basically said if you want to link electronic healthcare record data for the purposes of research on COVID-19, go right ahead. And at that point, everything changed. And so the topic of our symposium today is on the potential of the new UK secure data environments to facilitate population scale real-world evidence and the application of the methods to make causal inferences that have been pioneered by colleagues at the CAUSALab. So I don't need to say any more about it. That's the content, and the speakers, I think, are going to do a great job in explaining what we mean by secure data environments, what we've been doing so far, and what's the potential in the future.